Well, welcome to Chaparral Dog Park. Hello, my friends. Oh, hello. I don't know. This place has been really special to me. I been coming here for over 20 years. Ever since it was made. Before this was a dog park, just was a golf course. And I used to have a different motorcycle, my Honda Goldwing, and it had like had side luggage with tops on there. So I just popped the tops and I dropped my two dogs into one on each side of the bike. And as soon as I yelled dog park, they would run outside. They'd be next to my motorcycle, ready to go to dog park. They love the motorcycle, and they love this place. Of course, at that time, I just lived right over there behind Chaparral Park in a nice condo. Things change. Oh, it is incredibly warm out right now. But I soaked down. I don't know, everything's incredibly beautiful to me. The light, the trees, the dogs. Even me. For me to find beauty in me, that's a big one. That's different. What up, my friend? Hello. Oh, is that a good spot? That's a good spot. They love Reiki. They feel my energy. Now he'll run off. It's so easy to love dogs. People, they're challenging. I love them nonetheless. I forgive as I've been forgiven. I just never forget. Anyways, I thought I'd just share a moment.